Off the cuff is an English idiom used to describe something said or done spontaneously without preparation or prior planning. When someone speaks off the cuff, they are expressing thoughts or opinions immediately, often without rehearsing or carefully organizing their ideas. The phrase highlights quick thinking and natural response, rather than structured or scripted communication. The origin of the expression is believed to come from the practice of writing notes on shirt cuffs. In the past, speakers or performers sometimes wrote reminders or key points on the cuffs of their shirts, so they could discreetly refer to them during presentations. Speaking off the cuff meant speaking without those written notes, relying instead on memory or improvisation. Over time, the phrase evolved to describe any unprepared or spontaneous speech or action. In everyday conversation, speaking off the cuff can demonstrate confidence and authenticity. For example, during meetings or interviews, a person might respond to a question off the cuff when they provide an immediate answer, rather than a rehearsed one. Such responses can feel more genuine and conversational, which often helps build trust or connection with listeners. However, it also carries the risk of saying something unclear or inaccurate because the speaker has not had time to organize their thoughts carefully. The idiom is also common in professional and creative environments. Public speakers, teachers, and entertainers sometimes rely on off-the-cuff remarks to engage their audience or adapt to unexpected situations. In journalism or media interviews, individuals may be asked to comment off the cuff about current events. In these situations, the ability to think quickly and communicate clearly becomes an important skill. Spontaneous comments can make communication feel lively and natural, but they also require awareness and sensitivity. While speaking off the cuff can be effective, it is not always appropriate. Certain situations require careful planning, such as legal discussions, official statements, or technical presentations. In these cases, off-the-cuff remarks might lead to misunderstandings or mistakes. Therefore, successful communicators often balance preparation with spontaneity, knowing when to rely on structured speech and when to allow natural expression. The phrase also reflects broader human communication patterns. People often value authenticity and immediacy, especially in casual or interpersonal interactions. Off-the-cuff comments can reveal personality, humor, and creativity. However, they may also expose emotional reactions or unfiltered opinions. Because of this, the phrase often carries both positive and cautionary meanings depending on context and delivery. In conclusion, off-the-cuff describes spontaneous speech or action performed without preparation or rehearsal. The expression originates from the historical practice of writing notes on shirt cuffs and has evolved into a widely used idiom in modern English. It highlights the balance between quick thinking and careful communication, while emphasizing authenticity and natural expression. Understanding this phrase helps speakers recognize the value and risks of spontaneous communication in both personal and professional situations.